Ever the spirit moves you, I'm going to go ahead and say begin.
Yeah. In 2020, during the midst of quarantine due to COVID, the last thing I expected was the passing of one of my closest family members and friends. But life did not pause with the rest of the world during that time. In June of 2020, my brother-in-law, Tom, tragically passed away in an accident, and I used one of his mementos to calm me down and to guide me when I'm feeling lost. Today, I hope that by sharing some memories I have of Tom and the meaning I assigned to the memento he left behind, you can understand why an unfinished sketch of myself means so much to me now. So first, I'll share with you all a little bit about the artist of the sketch. And let me pull up the sketch on my screen. So here's a side by side. So on the left was me as a kid, and then on the right was the picture he sent to me once he sketched it. And then now I have it framed here. So this is my memento that I treasure. And what Tom, him, my sister, and I were very close, especially as I was in high school, as I got closer in age, because we have an 8-year age gap, my sister, a 5-year age gap. And he kind of acted as glue for my sister and I, because we definitely bickered growing up, especially with that 5-year age gap. But he immediately like kind of brought us together as I was becoming an adult as well, and we all became very close. And in addition to that, he was also a big motivator for me for all my passions. He introduced me to my current major, computer science, and really pushed me to explore and make projects on my own. And he was I feel like that was the first time I was really able to share a passion with someone and we can both get excited about it. And then now that I've explained a little bit about who Tom was, I'll explain how this piece holds significance from those memories and what it means for me when I look at it. I feel like with drawings, it's very personal, especially because this one is a pencil sketch. So if you look closely, I can see each stroke of the pencil. And the fact that it's me as a subject, it feels like my own personal window to talk to him when I'm feeling overwhelmed. And like he did in life, whenever I look at the picture, I feel like I can hear his words, like him getting excited with me when I accomplish something or when I'm trying to pursue something. I can hear his advice through that picture. And now that my stories are coming to a close, I want to thank all of you for listening. And I hope that by me explaining a little bit about who Tom was and how his memory and presence lives in that sketch, why that object means so much to me and is able to calm me down when I'm feeling like life is overwhelming. And despite life unexpectedly taking turns, sometimes, luckily, mementos can provide a little bit of comfort.